हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम इन अद्वैत एजुकेशन चैनल। आज हम 6 स्टैंडर्ड का प्रैक्टिस सेट 33 सॉल्व करने वाले। सो लेट अस स्टार्ट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, मगनलाल bought trousers for rupees 400 and a shirt for rupees 200 and sold them for rupees 448 and 250 respectively. Which of these transactions were more profitable? First we will find the trousers profit. Trousers profit. See, in trousers profit, CP is given rupees 400 and SP means selling price is given 448. Now we will find the profit. Formula of profit. Profit is equal to SP minus CP. You can put the values. Profit is rupees 48. Now we will find the percentage. Suppose X% is trousers profit. Trousers profit means X upon 100 is equal to profit 48 divided by CP 400. Cross multiplication is X is equal to 48 multiplied by 100 divided by 400. See, from 400 these two zeros and from 100 these two zeros get cancelled. Now see, 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. 12 multiplied by 1, 12. Means X is equal to 12%. X means our trousers profit. Now we will find the shirt profit. Shirt profit. Shirt's cost price is 200 rupees and selling price is 250 rupees. Profit is equal to SP minus CP means 250 minus 200 means profit is rupees 50. 50 rupees का profit हुआ है शर्ट में. Suppose Y% is shirt's profit means Y upon 100 is equal to profit 50 upon cost price 200. Y is equal to cross multiplication 50 multiplied by 100 divided by 200. 0, 0, 0, 0 cancel. 2 ones are 2. Here 25. This Y is equal to 25%. See, X means trouser profit कितना आया था 12% and शर्ट प्रॉफिट 25%. तो किसका प्रॉफिट ज्यादा है? शर्ट्स ट्रांजेक्शन वेर मोर प्रॉफिटेबल. Therefore, shirts transaction were more profitable. Question number 2. Ramrao bought a cupboard for rupees 4,500 and sold it for rupees 4,950. Shamrao bought a sewing machine of rupees 3,500 and sold it for 3,920. Whose transaction were more profitable? First, we will find the Ramrao transition. Cupboard profit. CP is equal to 4,500 and SP is equal to 4,950. Formula of profit. Profit is equal to SP minus CP. Means 4,950 minus 4,500. Means profit of rupees 450. Suppose X% is transaction profit. Then our equation is X upon 100 is equal to 450 means profit divided by SP 4,500. Cross multiplication. X is equal to 450 multiplied by 100 upon 4,500. 0, 0, 0, 0 cancel. See 45 ones are 45, 45 ones are 45 and this 0 as it is. Means X is equal to 10%. Now we will find the Shamrao's transaction. शामराव ने क्या लिए? स्विंग मशीन. स्विंग मशीन profit. What is given? CP is given 3,500 and SP is given 3,920. Again write the formula of profit. Profit is equal to SP minus CP. SP is 3,920 minus CP is 3,500. Subtraction is 420. Means profit is rupees 420. Suppose Y% is transaction profit. Now write down the equation. Y upon 100 is equal to profit means 420 divided by CP 3,500. So Y is equal to multiplication, cross multiplication. 420 multiplied by 100 divided by 3,500. 20 here and from 20 here cancel. 7 5 are 35, 7 6 are 42 and this 0 as it is. Again 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5. Here now 10, 5 2s are 10 means 12%. Y is equal to 12%. See, X is equal to 10%, Y is equal to 12%. Means whose transaction was more profitable? Shamrao's transaction was more profitable. Therefore, Shamrao's transaction was more profitable. Question number 3. Hanif bought one box of 50 apples for rupees 400. He sold all the apples at the rate of rupees 10 each. Was there a profit or loss? What was its percentage? देखो हनीफ ने एक बॉक्स लाया था जिसमें 50 एप्पल्स थे। वो बॉक्स था 400 रुपीज़ को, और उसने एक एप्पल 10 रुपीज़ को सेल किया है। तो हमें फाइंड आउट करना है कि उसको प्रॉफिट हुआ है या लॉस हुआ है, और वो कितना परसेंटेज है। फर्स्ट, कॉस्ट ऑफ वन एप्पल इज इक्वल टू ₹10। उसने एक एप्पल 10 रुपीज़ को बेचा है। कॉस्ट ऑफ 50 एप्पल्स, कितने एप्पल्स है बॉक्स में? 50 एप्पल्स। कॉस्ट ऑफ 50 एप्पल्स इज इक्वल टू 50 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 10। 50 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 10, 500 रुपीज, 500। सी, CP and SP. CP means cost price and SP means selling price. Cost price is less than selling price. What is our cost price? 400 rupees. And selling price 500 rupees. Means हमें उसको profit हुआ है. Add down the formula of profit. Profit is equal to SP minus CP. Now put the values. उसको कितने रुपीस का प्रॉफिट हुआ है? 100। और हमें क्या निकालना है? उसका परसेंटेज। नाउ वी विल फाइंड द परसेंटेज। सपोज A% is Apple's profit. Suppose A% is Apple's profit. Then our equation is A upon 100 is equal to profit. Profit कितना हुआ है? 100 upon cost price. Cost price is 400. Now A is equal to cross multiplication. 100 into 100 divided by 400. 0, 0, 0, 0. It cancel. Means 100 upon 4. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 4, 5s are. Means A is equal to 25%. Therefore, Hanif made a profit 25%. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching the video.